What is the Rule of 72? It's a quick formula to estimate how many years it takes for an investment to double at a given annual compound return rate. Or flip it around, find the rate needed to double your money in a set time. So what's the formula? Years to double equals 72 divided by the expected annual return. For example, if your investment grows at 8% per year, divide 72 by 8. That's 9 years to double your cash. Start with 1,000. In 9 years, it's 2,000. 18 years, 4,000, and so on. The Rule of 72 isn't just for investment. This rule works for anything with compound growth. Think GDP. If economy grows at 4% annually, it will double in 18 years. That would be 72 divided by 4. Or population, A, 1% monthly growth rate. That's doubling every 6 years or 72 months. You have to watch out for the dark side as well. Fees can eat your returns, like a 3% annual mutual fund fee halves your principal in about 24 years. Credit card debt at 12% interest, you'll owe double in just 6 years. And don't forget inflation. If prices rise 6% yearly, your money's buying power halves in 12 years. Drop inflation to 4%, it takes 18 years instead. Smart investors use this to plan ahead. To wrap up, the Rule of 72 is your go-to for quick estimates on doubling time, whether it's growing wealth or dodging pitfalls like fees and inflation.